Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. Today we will continue with our civics chapter, state government. In this video we will study about certain terms and important persons in state government and what do they exactly do. Now we will start with governor. He is the executive head of the state, you can say. He is the executive head of the state and he is elected by the central government. He is head of the state, but he is placed in that state by the central government. He basically acts as an agent of central government. He or she makes sure that state government works within the rules and regulations of the constitution. So, governor is placed in the state to make sure that the functioning of state government is proper and legal. So, you have a question for you that who is the governor of your state? Each and every state has a governor. There is no governor of India, first of all. So, you can never say that who is governor of India. It is totally a wrong question. Governor is the executive head of a state. Now, one governor can manage two states at the same time. That means that two states can have the same governor. So it depends on the central government that who they want to place in the state at the position of governor. Next is chief minister. Now, chief minister is the leader of the ruling party or the party that has won a majority in legislative assembly. One of those MLAs becomes the chief minister and he further selects the other ministers. Those ministers are appointed by the governor. There is a difference between selecting the ministers and appointing them. The task of selecting the ministers is of chief minister. That, for example, chief minister decides to whom he wants to give the department of education or to whom he wants to give the department of road and transport. He selects the minister, but the appointment is done by governor. So governor is responsible for appointing the ministers. Selection of ministers is done by chief minister. He is called the political head of state. Governor is the executive head. Chief minister is the political head. He or she heads the ruling party and works with various ministers in the state. Chief minister is the leader of the ruling party or head of the ruling party and works with various ministers, the ministers which he or she had selected. Now the next term is legislative assembly. Now legislative assembly is an assembly where all the elected representatives of the state, or you can say MLA, they sit to debate, discuss and to formulate laws. So legislative assembly is basically the place where all the MLAs sit. They have sessions to discuss, debate and make laws. In legislative assembly, the opposition party asks questions from the ruling party and the ruling party responds to their queries. So these were the important terms you can say that are related to the state government. Now in next video we will see how the state government works. So till then, stay safe and have a good day.